my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A bullish engulfing pattern yesterday, and quite a sizable one as well. You also verified the previous session as being a shooting star pattern, type 2 bullish, and showed the love that the market has for target X at 94.35. That's the target for the recent sideways triangle. So what's next? Well, one could look at the sideways triangle as also being a type of halfway hesitation, in which case we'll be looking in the 10,400 level. However, I'm not minded yet to look at it that way, at least, as I say, not yet. I'd still like to consider the recent action since the bullish roof pattern back at the start of the year as a possible double top action. Adam and Adam type, perhaps. Well, perhaps anyway. We'll have to see how the next few days' actions play out. So far today, a slightly higher open, then a dip, but a limited dip, with a pullback up that makes the day look like a possible hanging man pattern or even a dragonfly doji. Perhaps the idea of the sideways triangle being a bullish halfway hesitation is not out of reach. If that is the case, then we'll have to start looking at the 2020 high at 96.17 as the next overhead resistance. LME 3-month aluminium. Please excuse the red labeling, my charting system continues to play silly buggers. The labels are nevertheless all still valid despite the colour. A bullish long white Mariposa yesterday, and an important one. It was not only a new recent high, but it was the first clear close outside and above the combination of the recent upper bull channel line, currently at 23.47, which is also an upper trend line for the morphing rising wedge pattern coming out from this same recent bull channel. As I said over the last few days, there's been a transformation of patterns in recent times here. We've had a recent ascending triangle pattern back in March, morphing into a bull channel, which now seems that this bull channel is morphing into a rising wedge pattern, with the early March to date uptrend currently at 22.81 being the lower wedge trend line, whilst the same connected highs, currently at 23.47 since late February, that make up the upper bull channel line also make up the upper wedge trend line. I have not as yet placed any targets for the rising wedge pattern, as though we've had a good close outside the rising wedge stroke bull channel. We still need a confirmation, at the very least a second consecutive close outside of both. In the meantime, overhead, the market has closed over the high for June 2018 at 23.43 and is now challenging the May high at 23.74. So far today, initially a lower open and a drop down to the combined bull channel line and upper rising wedge trend line, but it seems that was an effort to gather ammunition, as prices have since made new highs and are approaching that May 2018 high at 23.74. All very interesting. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final piece.